Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore some of the most beautiful luxury homes in the world. Today we are touring an absolutely stunning modern luxury mansion located in Texas. This incredible property features elegant architecture, spacious interiors, and a beautiful cream and black design theme that gives the entire home a sophisticated and timeless look. Let's start the tour from the outside. As you can see from the front view, this mansion immediately makes a powerful first impression. The exterior features a beautiful combination of cream walls and black accents, large modern windows, and a grand driveway leading up to the entrance. The landscaping around the house is perfectly designed with palm trees, green lawns, and decorative lighting that makes the home look even more luxurious. Now let's take a look from above. From this stunning drone view, you can really appreciate the full size of the property. The house sits on a large lot surrounded by beautiful landscaping and open space. From this angle you can see the elegant roof design, the backyard entertainment area, and the private swimming pool that makes this home feel like a luxury resort. Now let's head toward the main entrance. Walking up to the front door, you'll notice the grand double-door entrance framed with modern architectural details. The tall doors and large glass panels allow natural light to flow into the home, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere as soon as you walk inside. Now we enter the main living room. This living room is designed to impress. The space features a double-height ceiling that makes the room feel incredibly open and luxurious. The cream-colored sofas paired with black accents perfectly match the overall theme of the house. Large windows allow natural sunlight to fill the room, while a beautiful chandelier hangs from the ceiling adding a touch of elegance. Next, we move into the kitchen. This is truly a dream kitchen for anyone who loves cooking and entertaining guests. The kitchen features cream cabinets, a large black marble island in the center, and high-end appliances built into the walls. The modern lighting and clean design make this kitchen both functional and visually stunning. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. The dining room features a long luxury dining table surrounded by elegant cream chairs. Above the table hangs a beautiful chandelier that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for family dinners or entertaining guests. Large windows nearby provide great natural lighting and views of the outdoor space. Now let's check out the garage. This home includes a spacious 3-car garage, perfect for luxury vehicles or additional storage. The garage has a polished floor, modern lighting, and plenty of room for sports cars or SUVs. Next, we move to one of the most relaxing parts of the home, the master bedroom. The master bedroom is designed as a peaceful private retreat. The room features a large luxury bed, elegant decor, and large windows that provide beautiful natural light. The cream and black color palette continues here, creating a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. Connected to the master bedroom is the master bathroom. This spa-inspired bathroom includes a large soaking bathtub, a glass walk-in shower, and beautiful marble finishes. The space feels like a luxury hotel spa, designed to help you relax and unwind after a long day. Now let's check out the home gym. The private gym inside this mansion allows you to stay active without ever leaving your house. The room includes modern workout equipment, large mirrors, and big windows that bring in natural light while you exercise. Now we head outside to the backyard. The backyard is designed for entertainment and relaxation. The highlight here is the beautiful swimming pool surrounded by lounge chairs and luxury landscaping. Whether you want to relax in the sun or host a pool party with friends and family, this outdoor space is absolutely perfect. Finally, let's visit the TV lounge. This cozy entertainment area features large comfortable sofas and a huge screen television. It's the perfect place to watch movies, sports, or spend quality time with family. Overall, this luxury mansion offers the perfect balance of modern design, comfort, and elegance. From the grand entrance to the relaxing backyard pool, every part of this home is designed for a luxury lifestyle. If you enjoyed this luxury mansion tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible dream home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury house tour.